Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix when you're unable to install this update, that is KB5083769 or KB5082417, because of this error code, that is 0x800f0845 or 0x80040154. Now the first step is to go to Windows Update in Windows settings. Here you can see pause update option, hit pause. Once paused, click on resume updates. Let the update complete and then you can check. Try to install the update now and then check. Still not working, type in services in Windows search box, click on services. Find app readiness, make a double click, set this to automatic. Click on apply, click on start if highlighted. Make a right click on app readiness, click on restart. Now find background intelligent transfer service, make a double click on background intelligent transfer service, set this to automatic. Click on apply, click on start if highlighted. Now make a right click and then click on restart. Now find Windows Update, scroll down. Here you can see Windows Update, make a double click, set this to automatic. Click on apply, click on start if highlighted, click on OK, make a right click, then click on restart. Now once done, you can go back to Windows Update, and over here if you see retry option, you can try to install the update once again. Still not working, you can run these commands. These commands are provided in the video description. Type in PowerShell in Windows search box, make a right click on Windows PowerShell, make sure that you run PowerShell as an administrator. Click on yes to allow. Now copy the first command, paste it over here, hit the enter. Once done, copy the second command, paste it, hit the enter. Now run the third command. Now once this is done, run the last command. Now once this is done, restart your PC. After the system restart, you can check. Still not working, in that case run these commands. These commands are also provided in the video description. Type in CMD in Windows search box, make a right click on command prompt tab, make sure that you run command prompt as an administrator only. Click on yes to allow. Now copy the first command, paste it, hit the enter key, and let the scan complete. The scan will take some time. Once this is 100% complete, copy the second command, paste it on the same window, hit the enter key. Now once the second scan is 100% complete, copy the third command, paste it on the same window, hit the enter key. Once the third scan is 100% complete over here, then restart your PC, and after the system restart, you can check. Still not working, you can use Microsoft Update Catalog. Open this link in a browser. It will take you to Microsoft website. The link is provided in the video description. Go to Windows Update. Now whichever, like if you're unable to install this update, you can write down the name of the update, that is KB5083769. click on search. Check your Windows version, so type in WINVER in Windows search box, click on WinVer run command. In my case the version is 25H2. Now check your system type, go to system, scroll down. Here you can see about option, go to about, and then for me the system type is 64-bit operating system. So for me it's Windows 11 version 25H2x64. If you have Windows 11 version 24H2x64, then this is the right one for you. For me this is the right one. Now click on download. Now click on KB5083769 and then let the download complete. Once the download is complete, you can click on this file, install this update. Just follow the on-screen instruction, install this update manually, and once it is done, restart your PC and then check. Still not working, close all the third-party application and then make sure only the update is running, rest close everything. Uninstall third-party anti-cheat program, like if you have Faceit, anti-cheat, Riot Vanguard, or any third-party anti-cheat program, you can uninstall it, restart your PC and then update. Also, if you have any third-party antivirus program, like if you have Avast, Norton, Bitdefender, McAfee, whichever antivirus program you have, you can disable your antivirus program before you install the update. Once you're done installing the update, you can again enable your antivirus program. Next step is to open Windows settings, go to Windows Update, go to advanced option, scroll down, go to recovery option. Here you can see fix problems using Windows Update. This will reinstall your current version of Windows. Your apps, files and settings will be preserved. So click on reinstall now. This process will take some time, and once this is done, restart your PC and then check. Now still not working. The last step is to use media creation tool. Open this link in a browser. It will take you to Microsoft website. Scroll down. Here you can see media creation tool. Click on download now, and then you can run this exe file. Run this exe file, and then click on accept over here. By default, Windows 11 will be selected. Click on next. Select ISO file over here, and then click on next. You can save it to desktop. Click on save. Let the download complete. This process will take some time. Once done, click on finish over here. Let this close automatically. Go to desktop, make a double click on Windows ISO file, make a double click on setup file, click on yes to allow, click on next, click on accept. Over here you can see ready to install. By default, the option to keep personal files and app will be checked. When this is checked, you will not lose any data on the computer, so make sure this is checked and then hit install. After the installation, you can log into the computer and then update your Windows 11. So one of the steps shown in this video should help you to install these updates successfully on your Windows 11 computer. So that'll be all. Thank you so much for your time, and please like this video and subscribe to my channel.